Hi everyone and welcome. Last year my mom gave me a calendar with recipes, some of which look very tempting. So today I will try out one of them for a lemon pudding cake and we'll do it together with you. The cake is light, airy, soft, and with a strong but just right amount of lemon. Let's set the oven to heat to 165 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit without fan function. Insert parchment paper in a baking dish. I am using a dish which fits 1.2 liters. You can use any dish you want, but it should not be smaller because this one will be full to the top. And grease the parchment paper with some oil or butter. We need zest from 2 lemons and 60 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Therefore, at first, I will zest the lemons and then squeeze the juice. It's enough with juice from 1 lemon. Now let's melt butter on medium-low heat on the stove or in a microwave. When the butter has melted, remove it from the stove and put aside to cool. Let's also warm up milk. We need the milk to be slightly warm, not hot. The milk is warm, so I can remove it from the stove as well. Now let's separate egg yolks from egg whites in 2 bowls. Let's beat the egg yolks, gradually add sugar to them, and beat till the egg yolks are light and fluffy. I will also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to the egg yolks. Now let's add and mix in the melted butter. And sift and mix in the flour. Let's also add the lemon juice. And the lemon zest. Now it's time to add and mix in the milk in the batter. The batter is quite runny, thin. As last, we need to add a pinch of salt to the egg whites and beat the egg whites till they form stiff peaks. And now fold the egg whites gently in the batter. We don't need completely smooth batter. It's fine to have some foamy egg white pieces floating in it. Now I will carefully pour the batter in the baking dish. And put the cake in the oven to bake for about 40 to 45 minutes till it is set but still a little wiggly. The top feels cooked but very soft. Let's remove the lemon cake from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before taking it out from the baking dish. I carefully remove the parchment paper from the sides of the cake. And we can see now that the top is spongy, but the bottom is still creamy, custard-like. If you wish, dust the cake with some powdered sugar. Cut and enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!